Hello viewers, you are welcome. We have this logarithmic equation. So how are we going to do? 2 is the base, 25 is the base, 8 is the base, and we have all of this. So let's see how we can solve this problem here. Okay, so now from here we can have this to be 2 to the power of log base 3. This 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2, then plus 25 log, the base is 9, we can write it as 3 to the power of 2, and we have 3 here, then equals, I have 8 log the base x, then 9. So we move on. So we go to the next line. So now we know that this power can actually, this power 2 can come down like 2 multiplying base 3 of 3 plus 25. Now here we have the power of base. The power of base, if you want to remove this 2 here, it will come down and become, we take its reciprocal, that is why 1 over 2, then we have log, we have base 3, then 3 like this, equals 8 log base x, and we have 9. Then also we move on. So we have log 3, that is, if you have log base a of a, this will give us 1. So we are going to use it here, we use it here. So we're going to have 2 log base 3 of 3, that will give us 1, plus, now this 25 is like square root of what? Of 25. Then we have multiplied by 1, because log 3 base 3 will give us 1, equals 8 log base x, then 9. So we move on. So now the next thing we are going to do here is we have 2 to the power of 2 times 1, 2, plus square root of 25 is 5 raised to power 1, equals, we have 8 log base x of 9. Now from here, so 2 raised to power 2, we have 4 plus 5 equals 8 log to the power of log base x of 9. So now 4 plus 5, you're going to have 9, equals 8 log base x 9. So now from there, what are we going to do? I'm going to introduce log of base what? Base 8. Now log of base 8 is going to be log base 8 9 equals log base 8, then 8 to the power of log 9 base x. So now from there you can see we have log base 8 of 9 equals, now this 9, or this power here, that is log base x 9, will come down multiplying log base 8 of 8. And you know that log 8 base 8 of 8 will give us what? 1. So we're going to have log base 8 9 equals log base x 9. Now I want you to look at something here. You can see that the arguments here and here, they are the same thing. So therefore we can compare. We can say that 8 equals x here. So therefore we have the value of x to be what? 8. And that is the solution to the problem. So if you enjoy the class, kindly share to your colleagues so they can learn from it. Also, try to subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that before. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Thank you. Bye bye.